Hey y'all, it's Alex with Designs by Blue Star, and today it's budgeting time. We're going to talk about something super important today, budgeting your income. All right, first things first, grab your favorite budgeting tool. I am grabbing this one that I have. You can see the link in my bio. It's pretty nifty, but use whatever you got, and let's get going. Um, First things first, just make sure you understand your income. Income is any money that's going into your wallet, not just your paycheck. If you have a side business, interest you earn, anything like that, that's all considered your income. So I'm going to go over to my budgeting tab. And in this example, I'm going to assume that I get paid weekly. But if you get paid every other week, you can just skip this one. And here I'm kind of making it, not the same because I'm assuming, I'm working an hourly job and some weeks I have more hours than others. There we go. I'm going to turn it to interest, $2 in interest. There's my budget. You can go to monthly and you can see my budget right there. You can go to summary tab. This is showing week 52, which would be December. So let's go to week 4. There we go. That shows me at the end of 4 weeks in January. That's for the current week. This is for the full month. Well, that's for the full month. This is for month to date. So if I would have done week 3, see that number doesn't change. This one does, but we're doing week 4. Okay. There you go. There's my budget. Now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say, I'm going to start entering in what I made. In my side business, oh, I don't know. And my interest was $5 instead of the other amount I put in there. So you can see here the current week, week 4, made more than I thought I was going to. And for the month, I did too. Month to date is 2,302. Here's 2,202. And, my difference is there. Month to date and year to date are the same. But if I would go and, put in some more information, then my month to date would be for whatever month it is, and year to date would be for the full year. They're the same since it's January, but that's pretty much how I go and I budget my income, and if I would have had, more income sources, I would have kept listing them. Here I just did 3. Um, and then, I can always go over here and say, okay, here's January, here's February, or sorry, here's January. This is what I actually earned. Here's January, there's my budget, and then there's my difference. So that's, I made $103 more than I thought I was going to when I had originally did my budget. So that's pretty much how this works. And, if you want to, if you have the same amount all year, you can just go and copy it, or, that'll show up here. Some weeks there's more weeks in some months, so some months you only make 2,000 versus the weeks with 5 weeks, or the months with 5 weeks you're making 2,500, and then you just fill in your actuals as they come. So, all right, that's all for me. Make sure to like that button, and so you can come back and see the next one where we concentrate on expenses. Thank you. Have a great day.